I've always been on your team, Ron.
Storm clouds.
You do it right. You know what I'm saying? Now, I know the side you were. I know the side you were.
Sorry about the finger, people. Right there is a dragon with his mouth open, or a snake. Let me know if you see what I saw. It's gone now. There's a lion right there. Alright. Short video. Love and respect to everybody, all the Sky Watchers. Shout out to Darlene, Shanna, WR, Rose, Kim Morehouse, Matt, Dr. Eve, Kimba, Denise Lind. Oh, by the way, she's in end-stage renal failure. I think she's home now. I'll go to Denise Lind. She's a redhead. Check her out. Tell her I sent you. Pray for her. Alright, later folks. Stay cool or stay dry. I don't know which. Bye.